may mga protesta rin. And for that, we got updates from Mon News Cebu Desk, our man in Cebu, Dale Israel. Dale, okay. Ano nangyayari dyan, Dale?
Yes, mayong hapon kaninyong dina, Lord and Pauline. Kanina, we were at Colon Street in downtown Cebu City to check out the noise barrage and protest rally held by labor group Partido Lakas ng Masa and other groups to demand accountability amidst the corruption on flood control projects. First, the group held a rally in front of the SSS main branch in Cebu, and then after they marched towards Colon Street in downtown Cebu City where they held a noise barrage for about 30 minutes. Parang kinalampag nila yung mga kaldero na walang laman para maingay. May mga 10 hanggang 20 katao lang ang nasa rally kaninang umaga around 10 a.m. Nagsiwian din naman sila bago mag-alas 11 ng umaga. There were minimal traffic congestion from the activity of the group that held the protest. According to the group, they strongly condemn the misuse, overpricing, substandard implementation, and collusion between contractors, DPWH officials, and politicians who have betrayed public trust. They cite as an example here in Cebu, the RIPRAP project in Mandaue City that collapsed because of it is discovered that bamboo was used instead of steel, thus making it a substandard flood control project. Another one is another flood control project in Mandaue City in Barangay Tingob and Kasuntingan. There were no use of steel in the reinforcing the RIPRAP. It collapsed last August 16 this year, and the project was worth 90 million pesos. Mandaue has 51 flood control projects worth 3.8 billion pesos, and yet the city's flooding has worsened in the recent years. So is Cebu City that has 47 flood control projects, and yet the city's flooding has also worsened in the last 5 years. The group is also calling for transparency in the investigation body which the president is planning to create amidst the controversies, and that the government release all contracts, bidding documents, and engineering reports and audit findings to the public. And that the civil society should be the ones leading this investigation body being created by the president. Kailangan din may mga prosecution ng mga corrupt na national officials, mga contractors, mga middleman at sa mga nangyayaring korupsyon na mapatunayan sa mga investigasyon sa Senado at Congress. Lord, we asked the groups if they too want the House Speaker to be replaced. The group said not for now because there was no credible proof yet that has been found against him. But if the Speaker Romualdez steps down, that would be the ideal thing daw, sabi nila. On Sunday, the group will lead another round of protest rally at the Plaza Independencia around 4 p.m. They hope to get more people to participate in the event so that the government will hear their call for accountability, just like the changes that happened in Indonesia and Nepal. Back to you, Lord and Pauline.
Oo, matindi yung kasi hindi naman bumabaha sa Cebu dati. No? Pero anyway, maraming salamat. Our man in Cebu, Dale Israel. Happy weekend, Dale.